Welcome to our demonstration on how to repair cracks and leaks in polypropylene and polyethylene pipes. In this video, we're using Belzona 1221, our fast-curing repair composite perfect for emergencies, with Belzona 9341 reinforcement tape. First, clean the surface of the substrate. Tape off the repair area. Prepare the surface using a handheld surface preparation tool. Measure out a length of Belzona 9341, at least twice the pipe circumference. Mix Belzona 1221. Using the spatula, squeeze all the product out of both sachets onto the working surface. Mix the two components thoroughly in a figure-8 motion until a uniform color is achieved. Firmly apply Belzona 1221 using a brush, ensuring maximum contact with the surface. Apply product to the reinforcement tape. Tightly wrap the pipe with Belzona 9341. Encapsulate the reinforcement tape with Belzona 1221. Remove the masking tape and allow to cure. The application is now complete.